Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to use the APM in Monopoly Go. But it used to work and it's already fixed, so unfortunately it doesn't work anymore. So the APM mode basically is just using airplane mode basically so that you'll be able to play and get 100 access when you land here in Go, and actually it doesn't work anymore. Monopoly Go has fixed it just 1 week ago, and now I discovered that it's not anymore available. So until then, I will try to update you guys on how to get a better version on how to use the APM in Monopoly Go, so you guys will be able to get it. So right as of the moment we are speaking, it's already fixed and there's no workaround around it. I've tried it multiple times, and right now it's just not budging anymore. So there you go, guys, and there you go. So I will only update you when it's already available again. But right now, APM has been fixed by the Monopoly Go makers, and they have caught up to the issue, and they have caught up into that act that people have been doing recently. So now it's not available anymore. And there you go. This is only an update on how you can use it because it's not anymore available, and I will update you when it does so.